Inverlochy Castle is a 5-star hotel based up in Fort William in the Highlands. It was built in 1863. It nestles at the bottom of Ben Nevis. When you walk in the front hall, beautiful ceiling, absolutely lovely chandeliers, just completely something you wouldn't find anywhere else. We've got the King's Suite, named after King Hussein of Jordan, who used to come here along with his wife, Queen Noor. And we've got the Queen's Suite, which is called after Queen Victoria, who stayed here late 1800s. The castle itself is the main attraction to come here, but also the beauty of the area. You don't have the busy roads, you've got beautiful green hills, mountains. We've got Ben Nevis, we've got Annachmore, the ski run, many beautiful places in Fort William. There is the food element as well. Our chef Philip Carnegie, Michelin star chef, his food is absolutely amazing.
We're trying to be as creative as we can, but still staying within the boundaries of the Inverlochy Castle. We change the menu daily. We have no structure, simply because we're working so closely with the suppliers, especially the fish. The fish comes in daily here, which is quite rare for a lot of places. We just try and keep it simple, keep the flavours clean, and just let the food speak for itself.
You always just say to your staff, you know, be yourself. That's what guests look for you to be natural, look after them well. You're happy, guests happy, everyone's happy.
The attention from the staff is so unobtrusive, yet is dovetailed and organised and choreographed like a ballet. Everything is done in perfect, unobtrusive taste. I think once you've been, you can only want to come back again.
Well, if you want to come to a complete hideaway in the Scottish Highlands, you couldn't ask for anywhere better than Inverlochy Castle.